Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to activate your promo code in the GOAT sneakers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the promo code button. And here, if you have, enter your promo code in this box. And click on the activate button next to it, and once it is activated, the promotion will automatically apply at your checkout. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.